Hello and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Ahmad Amar Azmi bin Halim and our group will be presenting about our project, Cinema Ticket Management System. The Cinema Ticket Management System is a centralized digital platform designed to replace outdated manual ticketing workflows and suit modern moviegoers' expectations for rapid on-demand service. By seamlessly connecting customers, staff, and the management, the system delivers an enhanced user experience featuring real-time seat allocation and secure, automated checkouts. Ultimately, this digital transformation streamlines administrative tasks and equips management with automated reporting, tools to track attendance, optimize daily operations, and drive overall business profitability. To understand the true value of the new cinema ticket management system, let's look at the core operational challenges we currently face and how our project objectives directly solve them. First, we are dealing with vulnerable internal systems where the absence of secure role-based access exposes our sensitive sales data to unauthorized personnel. To resolve this, our primary objective is to implement a secure user authentication system that strictly controls access for both staffs and administrators. Second, our customer experience is currently suffering from two major issues: redundant seat allocation and friction at the box office. Manual updates are causing synchronization delays and accidental double booking of seats, while physical payments and manual ticketing are creating long queues that slow down customer service. To overcome this, our system introduces two key objectives. We will provide customers with a reliable movie browsing and search capability to search and locate films by genre, showtime, or seat availability. Simultaneously, we will automate the entire ticket order and payment processing workflow, handling everything from tax calculations to instant digital ticket and receipt generation. Third, we face the issue of scattered customer insights. Right now, the lack of a unified database prevents us from tracking purchase history, which means we can't run our targeted promotions. Our objective here is simple: to maintain centralized and accurate customer information alongside our sales transaction records. Finally, our management is slowed down by labor-intensive auditing, but the manual calculation of daily box office sales and attendance significantly increases the risk of data entry errors. To fix this, our final objective is to enable the automated generation of business reports, including sales summaries and attendance metrics, to drastically improve management decision-making.
Chapter 2, Cinema Ticket System. Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman Hari Hakim Yusufizan. I will present about the project management. First is work breakdown structure. WBS. What is it? WBS is a project management tool that breaks down a large complex into a smaller, more manageable pieces. Our project is about cinema ticket management system. The first one is project initiation. It has an introduction, problem statement, and objective. The second, we have a project management. In this, it has a WBS development and Gantt chart. Third one, we have a requirement elicitation. In this, it has a JAD session and user needs. Next is a system requirement and methodology. In this, it has a functional requirement, non-functional requirement, and development methodology. Next is system modeling and design. In this, it has a context diagram, the FD level 0, the FD level 1, and ERD design. Lastly, interface design. It has input and output design. In this second slide, I will present about our visual timeline that show task duration for each member to do their part in form of Gantt chart. For the first process is problem statement and introductions. It takes 2 weeks, week 1 and week 2. Second is WBS and Gantt chart. It takes only 2 weeks, week 3 and week 4. The third one is a JAD session and user needs. It takes only 2 weeks, week 5 and week 6. Next is requirement analysis. It takes 3 weeks, week 5, 6 and 7. For context diagram and DFD level 0, it takes 3 weeks, week 6, 7 and 8. For DFD level 1 and ERD, it takes 3 weeks, week 7, 8 and 9. Next, for interface design, for input, it takes 2 weeks, week 8 and week 9. Lastly, for interface design for output, it takes 2 weeks, week 9 and week 10.
Next, let's talk about our Chapter 3, Requirements Elicitation. We conducted a joint application design or JAD session. To ensure we build a system that truly works for the business, we brought together a diverse group of participants, including the cinema manager, our box office staff, a customer representative, and our project team. Our main objective during this session was to collaboratively map out essential system features and resolve our most critical process bottlenecks. The workshop was highly successful and it gave us 4 major key findings that define our system's core priorities. First, regarding security, all stakeholders agreed that tiered role-based access is absolutely required. This ensures we can properly protect sensitive financial data from unauthorized access. Second, for our core functionality, we determined that the system must feature real-time seat locking during the checkout process. This acts as our primary defense to completely prevent double booking headaches during busy movie releases. Third, when it comes to the customer experience, the feedback was clear. Users need comprehensive movie filtering tools to easily sort by genre, showtime, or format like IMAX and 3D. They also require automated e-ticket generation so they can skip the physical queues entirely. Finally, looking at administration, management explicitly requires on-demand financial and attendance reports so they can monitor theatre performance in real time and make data-driven decisions. Moving on to user needs, we focus on solving specific problems for 3 main stakeholders. For the staff, manual calculations and weak security are major issues. Our solution introduces secure role-based logins and fully automates the billing process. For customers, the biggest frustrations are long physical queues and not knowing seat availability beforehand. We solve this by providing live online seating charts and a self-service digital checkout. Finally, for managers, the main problem is delayed sales data. The new system provides automated dashboards so they can track revenue and hall attendance in real time.
Good day everyone. Today, I'm pleased to present my part, that is Chapter 4, System Requirement and Methodology of our Cinema Ticket Management System. We will be covering our functional and non-functional requirements, followed by the development methodology chosen to execute this project successfully. Now, let's begin with our functional requirements. On the customer side, the journey starts with secure user registration, where user details are strictly validated before account creation, followed by role-based authentication. Customer can search and browse movies using filters like genre and release date, check real-time seat availability, and pick seats through an interactive layout designed to prevent duplicates bookings. Once seats are chosen, the system automatically calculates the ticket price, including taxes and discount, and process payments securely. After a successful transaction, a digital e-ticket containing booking details and a unique QR code is generated, which remains accessible in the user's booking history. For administrator, the system provides management modules to update movie showtimes, moderate customer accounts, and automatically generate daily, weekly, and monthly sales report to analyze business performance. Moving on to non-functional requirement. To ensure an excellent user experience, performance is key. The system will respond to any user request within 3 seconds under normal conditions. Security is highly prioritized, utilizing encryption for password and HTTPS protocols for all data transfer. We target a 99% system uptime, ensuring 24/7 availability except during scheduled maintenance. Usability is maintained through a responsive multi-device interface compatible with major browsers. Lastly, to safeguard transaction and support future expansion, the system enforces strict data integrity constraints to prevent overlapping reservation, scale-ready architecture for additional cinema branches, and automatic daily database backups for seamless disaster recovery. To bring the system to life, we are adopting the Agile methodology as shown in the slide. Agile's iterative framework is perfect for this project. Through incremental development, we break down the system into manageable modules such as seat selection, payment, and admin controls, completing and testing each during short sprint cycles. This allows us to deliver core features early. By gathering continuous feedback from cinema staff and customers at the end of each iteration, we ensure the final product meets actual user needs. This flexible approach allows us to integrate new features like promotional discount or loyalty programs at any stage without redesigning the core structure. Ultimately, this promotes strong team collaboration and guarantees superior software quality through continuous sprint testing. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Muhammad Akib bin Muhammad Zulfizan. My metric number is B0325108628 suite 82. Today, I will present chapter 5 of our project, which is the system modeling and design for the cinema ticket management system. This chapter explains how the system works through the context diagram, data flow diagram, and entity relationship diagram. This diagram helps us understand the flow of information and the relationship between the data in our system. This slide shows the context diagram, which provides the highest level overview of our cinema ticket management system. There are three external entities that interact with the system. The first is customer. Customer can search for movies, choose showtimes, select seats, make bookings, and complete online payment. In return, they receive booking confirmations, e-tickets, and payment receipts. The second entity is the cinema staff. Staff members log into the system management movie schedules, verify customer bookings, and generate reports. The third entity is the payment gateway. It securely processes online payments and sends the payment status back to the system. The contact diagram shows how information flows between these external entities and the cinema ticket management system. This is the data flow diagram level 0, which breaks the system into 5 major processes. Processes 1.0. This user authentication is verify customer or staff login credential before allowing access. Process 2.0 is browse movie and showtimes. Customer can search available movies, view schedule, and check seat availability. Process 3.0 is ticket booking and payment. The system records booking, reserves seats, processes payment, and generate e-tickets. For the next process is process 4.0, is generate reports. Cinema staff can generate booking reports, sales reports, and revenue summaries. Finally, for the process 5.0 is manage movie and schedules. Staff can add new movies, update showtimes, and remove expired movie. The data is stored in 4 main data stores: movie information, booking records, customer information, and staff information. This slide explains process 3.0 in more detail. The first sub-process is select movie and seats, where customers choose a movie and available seats. The second sub-process is calculate ticket price. The system calculates the total ticket price based on the selected seats and ticket type. The third process is process payment. The payment information is sent to the payment gateway for authorization. Finally, the generate e-ticket process create an electronic ticket after successful payment. The booking details are saved into the booking records database, and the customer receives the e-ticket and payment confirmation. For the last slide, present the Entity Relationship Diagram, or ERD. The system contains four main entities. The customer entity stores customer information such as customer ID, name, email, and phone number. The movie entity stores movie details, including title, genre, duration, rating, showtime, and hall number. The booking entity records each booking, including the booking date, selected seat, payment status, and forwarding key that connect customers, movies, and staff. The staff entity stores staff information such as staff ID, name, username, and position. The relationship are straightforward. One customer can make many bookings, one booking can make many bookings, one movie can have many bookings, and one staff member can manage multiple bookings. These relationships ensure that all booking information is connected accurately within the database.
On this slide, I will explain the login page of our cinema ticket management system. The login page is designed to be simple and user-friendly so that staff and administrators can access the system quickly and securely. Users only need to enter their username and password, then click the sign in button. We also included separate access option for sales staff and administrators to ensure that each user only has permission to use the function assigned to their role. This design helps improve security, reduce unauthorized access, and provide a better user experience. Okay, next is movie search page. Search, which is allow users or staff to browse available quickly using filters such as genre, cinema location, date, time, and format. Each movie display its poster, price, and a view showtimes button, make it easier for users to compare movies before making a booking. The goal of this design is to make movie searching faster and more convenient. After selecting a movie, users proceed to the seat selection page. Available seat, selected seat, and unavailable seat are displayed using different colors so users can easily identify them. The system also automatically calculates the ticket quantity and total price based on the selected seats. Once users are satisfied with their selection, they can continue directly to the payment page. This interface helps reduce booking mistakes while providing a smooth and interface booking experience. Okay, next is checkout page. Before completing the purchase, users review their booking details, including the selected movie, quantity, customer information, and payment method. The system supports multiple payment options such as cash, card, and online transfer. Once everything is confirmed, users simply click confirm order to complete the booking. This ensures that users can verify their information before payment is processed. The customer service page allows users to communicate directly with cinema staff if they encounter any issue. User can submit inquiries by selecting the inquiry type, entering the relevant booking reference, and typing their message. The conversation history is displayed on the right, allowing both users and staff to track previous discussions. This feature improves customer support and provides faster issue resolution. These slides explain the output design of our system. The first output is the receipt, which is generated automatically after a successful payment. The receipt contains important information such as customer details, movie title, selected seat, payment information, ticket quantity, and the total amount paid. Users can also print or download the receipt for future reference. The second output is the sales report, which is mainly used by administrators. It provides a summary of daily or monthly sales, including the total number of transactions, total revenue, and the best-selling movies. The report also displays detailed transaction record and sales statistics. This helps administrators monitor business performance, make better decisions, and keep accurate financial records.